have this refrigerator box with us. I'm planning to make a house for her, as this is being summer holidays. I want her to enjoy some fun time. So to make this, you can take a little smaller box also, but luckily we have the bigger box, so she'll get a bigger house. This is the wider side and this is the smaller side. This side will do windows and this side will do a door. We already have these markings, this line, so I'm thinking I'll do from here. From starting. Okay. See, if I cut from here door, she can walk inside. This door can be easy for her to access. So from here we'll cut until the down. But on the window side, again we have marking from here to maybe till here will do. Yeah. So that we have a small window. I'm going with that as top marking, and I'll just draw a straight line down until the bottom where I want the door to end. I'm going to leave a little bit here so that it will have that full frame. If I cut it completely, it will get a little flimsy. Okay, door is marked. Now I need to cut it. Before that, I'll mark the window also. Yeah. And we need the top side. Here, what I'm thinking is, I'll be cutting this into a triangle. Now it's time to cut. You should really be careful with the blade, okay? Now I've cut this side. Here you can do little only on the top, so you will have that movement. Let's open. That's how it opens. So bend it a little, press it so that it stays there. Try to go inside. Easy? Yes. Easy now? Yes. Okay. So we are ready with the door. Now it's time to cut the window. We have to take it up. We are not cutting here. We are cutting here, here and here. So we can take it up. So we have a big window over here. This is getting done by trial and error. Here we made a hole and we put a knot so that it folds there. And I did a hole over here which is not working. We need to make a hole a little up. Bye bye. Bye bye. Okay, try to hold this. Now we'll put a knot. We just tied it over here so it's holding. The window is done now. We have this triangle shape happening, so I'll be cutting this and that. And we'll do the same thing on the other side also. I've cut this side and did the same thing on the other side. And the remaining part of this side is bent down like that on both the ends, as you can see. And now I'll be taping it here. This part I've stuck it properly on 4 sides. There is an open place over here that needs to be covered. So I cut a box on the side of a box. Now we are going to place it on top like that. Almost done. I'm thinking I'll tie this and this together. One here, one this side would be enough. Let's just make it. I made 2 holes together next to each other. This rope can go through it and come back to it, so we'll tie it here. Pull the rope out. That's done. This house is almost done. I'm going to put a handle over here. I'll just make a hole. I have these stone beads from many years. We will be going like that, and on the other side also I'll put the stone. So just knot it up so it won't come off. This bead is not coming out, that's good. Let's do the same on the other side. I'm leaving little lace over here so they can pull it like that. There you go. I'm going to do the same thing for the window. That's how the outside of the house looks. Top is also fixed. There is a door. There is a window. So that's the inside. I've kept some blanket, soft blanket, and the roof. Do you like the house, Kiki? Yes. Who all will play inside? Okay. Lucky. Okay. And Kritikesh. Okay. So those are all her cousins and one of her best friends. So they are all going to play inside here. Will you play with me also?
Yes.
Yes. We both also will play inside the house. Whenever I get time, we'll play. Okay? Give me time. Yay! I moved this house outside in the balcony. So I'm going to spray paint it. I have worn my gloves. And I'll be covering my face with this bandana. Then I'll be painting it completely. And I've done one side yesterday. This side, I don't wanted to use any spray paint because it's getting expensive. So I got this enamel paint, which I'm going to use with this sponge and try to paint it. I have a thinner to make it a little light. I'll be doing it inside this. We both just finished painting the house. It's just behind us.
It's too smelly also.
Yeah, it's very badly smelling, but we finished. Yay!
Hi guys, we are opening a long house. I'll come in. So we have Simba the pet. See, he's so cute. Say hi. Hi Simba. Say hi Simba. Hi. Okay. So see the house first. This was the goatee. Goatee. Hi. This is all the things we have in our new home. So we are going to do a sleepover in here. We have to still try to paint it. Yeah, so we have to do it afterwards. It's not nice like this. And it got already a dirt.